How to find posts you've liked on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you this new update of Instagram. You can now see the stories that you've liked, the posts, photos, videos, and so on. So as you can see, I'm already on my Instagram app. Make sure you do that too. You have to go to your profile, and then from here you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner. And then you have to click on your activity, the fourth option. And here we have time spent, photos and videos, and then interactions. So this is what is important to interactions. Click that. And then you have to click on likes. And here you will see all posts you've liked. You can also sort them from here, sort by date, newest to oldest, or oldest to newest. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.